Næst erum við með hingað komin frá Datalogic. Þau eru hérna í horninu og þau endilega kíkja á þau á eftir. Það eru þau Jennifer og Morten. Gjörðu þið svo vel.
Thank you very much. I hope that you guys can hear us okay. We've opted to stand here instead of roam the stage. My name is Jennifer Pinter. I work for Datalogic as our channel manager for the Nordic countries. And I have with me my colleague, Morten Bligaard, who is in charge of our retail sales here on Iceland. We want to thank Edico for having us today. And I'm looking for, thank you. Datalogic. I don't know how much you all know about Datalogic, but Datalogic is a company that works inside the auto ID and factory automation business. We play in the retail market, but also in manufacturing, transportation, logistics, healthcare. And in fact, we have about, we've been in this business for 50 years, so we've been around for quite a while. Today, we want to highlight some of the spaces that are important to our customers today. Customer experience has been talked about so far today, and it's paramount. And our customers need to find a way to engage with their customers on their terms. So we need to talk about self-shopping through the store. We need to talk about the regular checkout and also self-checkouts. We will talk a little bit about produce recognition. This is a space where there's a lot of shrinkage today for our customers. And we need to talk about self-checkout with artificial intelligence. E-commerce is also a very big part of our business and a big part of, a growing part of your business, I'm sure, as well. So hands-free picking is paramount. So we're going to talk about 3 different ways that Datalogic can help you to be more efficient in that space.
Yeah. So self-service is becoming a bigger and bigger trend in the market. And it's been around for a long time. Datalogic has been a part of this market since 2001, when we released our first self-shopping device, the Joya. Yeah, you should come and see it over there. It's quite cool. Would like to start by showing a video from Co-op in Sweden. A case story where they're going to tell us about why it's so important for them to use self-service. In 2016, they needed to renew their self-service products, and they decided to go for Datalogic, and this is why.
Om man har bestämt sig för att man är en Shop Express-kund, då vill man inte gå till kassan, utan man vill verkligen ha den här självskanningen. Och om inte den fungerar då, så kommer man att lämna butiken. Och det är ju det värsta som kan hända oss. Därför så är det ju oerhört viktigt att vi har en driftstabil anläggning. Shop Express har vi haft i Coop i många år. Vi var väl först i Sverige, förstås. Vi är ofta det. För några år sedan så är det ju så att systemet som vi hade då, all hårdvara, börjar bli gammal. Så var det ju dags att byta till någonting annat. Så vi hade användartester där kunderna själva fick provskanna. Och kunderna tyckte att Datalogics Joya Touch via ID-net var bäst. Man upplever att när man skannar så är det lättare att hålla, skanna och se på skärmen på en gång. Man behöver inte vicka så mycket fram och tillbaks på handen. När den sitter i vagnen så kan man sätta varan framför skannern och trycka uppe på. Och det är lätt att se och sådär. Största fördelen med Shop Express för kund, det är att det går fort. Man packar sina varor på en gång. Och samtidigt så ser man hela tiden hur mycket man har handlat för. Det är också en hel del fördelar för oss som butik. Du kanske har haft 8 kassörer, nu kanske du behöver ha 3. Övrig personal kan man ju då sätta på andra ställen i butik för att öka kundupplevelsen. Och nu har vi haft dem i 1,5 år. De är driftsäkra. Det är en lätt hantering. Det är ju jätteviktigt för kundupplevelsen. Jag är jättenöjd. Det har gått fantastiskt bra.
Yeah. So Co-op actually has several thousands of these units running at the moment. And they are very happy, like the rest of our customers, to know that we are releasing, within the next couple of weeks, we're releasing the brand new Joya Touch 22. Everything they love is still there. So we haven't changed much in it, only we've done it better, faster, and has all the newest in the Android operation systems. And all the cradles and accessories that they love so much, they can still use them. So we haven't changed the form factor of the product. It's still the same. It's just newer and better. So on the new Joya Touch 22, the platform is, of course, the newest and most powerful one. Datalogic was kind of the first on the market to actually introduce wireless charging, even before both Apple and Samsung. And that technology that we introduced back then is the same technology they use today. One of the first number one failure points on devices like this is the pinpoints, the charging pinpoints. And since we don't have them, that's one of the things that you would avoid by using the Joya Touch. Also, the Joya Touch has in-store navigation systems via Kopa or something like that, what they're called, from Finland. So it's an intelligent system that would guide you. Sorry,
No,
can you hear me?
I just want to make sure.
Guide you around in the store, guide the customers around in the store, and give them special offers or things like that. And of course, enhanced Wi-Fi is on board the new products as well. So you will get the best product on the market. As we said, the best features on these products is the wireless charging, which is very unique for our products. We have green spot on all of our products and also on the Joya Touch, which indicates every time you've actually scanned a product. So not only on the scanning code you'll see a green spot, but the device itself would light up. So you don't have to look at the screen every time to see, did I actually scan? There's an indication on both the device and on the barcode that would indicate that you did scan. And third is that you can actually brand it in your own colors. So we saw Co-op had green units for their colors, and it's not only those 5 colors we have there. You can actually get it in your special pink color, or you can get whatever color you need. It's completely up to what you would like. So those are the most special features on top of all the technology. Yeah.
So after self-shopping, one of the things we definitely wanted to talk about was artificial intelligence and the role it's playing in retail today. It's starting off, and it is going to be developing rapidly, I believe. Artificial intelligence for produce recognition, it's been growing and it's been evolving, and as I'm sure that you probably are aware of, you may be feeling the shrink yourself at this point in your store. It's a place where there is a lot of mistakes and or opportunistic people who are cheating the system. So let's watch this video to see how we can make it better and more efficient.
As the retail evolves, self-checkout is an increasingly essential part of grocery front-end operations. Unfortunately, the self-checkout process is cumbersome, time-consuming, error-prone, and a source of frustration for shoppers when it comes to dealing with loose produce. Retailers also experience frustration with loose produce. Every year, they lose billions of dollars due to fraud or mistakes. At self-checkout, loose produce involves browsing through an extensive catalog. Often, images are not available to help customers to select the correct item. So it is very easy to make a mistake, get frustrated, and pick the wrong item. This results in losses for the retailer. The Magellan 9800i top-down imager is a color imaging solution that makes it easy to identify produce at checkout. This color camera collects optimized pictures of produce during the weighing process, which are processed by a machine learning algorithm. A short list of results is presented to the customer in less than a second. There's no need to struggle browsing page after page in a catalog, eliminating the frustration and ensuring the right item is presented. Making it easy to select the correct item at checkout speeds the checkout process, reduces shrink, and increases customer satisfaction. With the Magellan 9800i top-down imager, produce item identification takes only 2 seconds compared to 15 seconds required to search a catalog. The top-down imager is fully integrated into the Magellan 9800i with a proven rugged form factor that will deliver years of service. Adding color imaging to your Magellan is incredibly simple. Minimize losses, enhance throughput, and improve the customer experience with Magellan 9800i top-down imager, the simple solution for produce identification.
You can see by the video, this is an accessory that we have for our Magellan 9800. This is the product that we have available today and that we've sold tens of thousands of, and in fact probably hundreds of thousands. In fact, Datalogic has about 54% of the global market in this space alone. And we are targeting, with this particular solution, both the self-checkout but also even the manned checkouts. So by adding this simple accessory and then by adding an artificial intelligence software, we are already partnering with some of the most important ones on the market, such as Tilliter, Can-Do AI, and Edgify, as well as a few others. You can have this solution very simply by adding this accessory to an already installed, for example, Magellan 9800. But Datalogic isn't stopping there. And so the next step in the journey, we are introducing the world's most advanced scanner scale portfolio. And this will be introduced around the end of this year, potentially the beginning of next year. But the grand launch will be at NRF this year. McKinsey, in fact, showed that in 2022, or they have a research that shows that more than 70% of the people that started using self-checkouts during the pandemic will continue to do so. So the self-checkout market is growing, but it's also a space that is prone to shrinkage for our retail customers. 6% of all shrinkage happens at self-checkout. And it's been shown that by using artificial intelligence, that statistic can go down to 0.5%. And this will result in massive gains for our retailers. Here's a video. So this is going to be a really fun and exciting journey. But Datalogic, we are making promises. We want to be a consultant to our customers. And some of the promises that we want to make to our customers and to our partners are unmatched performance and ease of use to help both the cashier performance and the customer experience at the self-checkout. We also promise that integrated loss prevention to reduce shrink and improve margin is very important to us. We promise revolutionary optics that enable artificial intelligence, taking customer checkout experience and retailer loss prevention to a previously unknown level. And we promise upgradable and future-proof design to ensure industry-leading value and lowest cost of ownership. So for most customers using AI at the checkout, the latest Magellan scanners will offer industry-leading options in order to enable these value and solutions. We will have the ability to be very flexible and very modular with these scanners. So the scanners scales themselves can be purchased like you would any other scanner scale. But then you can have the opportunity to add some options, like, for example, an Ethernet switch that will allow you to add cameras, I believe 5 external cameras, in order to monitor the entire self-checkout area. So whether you be monitoring the cart, under the cart, maybe the space where the customer is taking the product from his bag or from his cart into his bag, making sure that there's actually a scan happening in between. We will also have the artificial intelligence computing power on board the Magellan itself. So you can still have the option to have it in the back office or in the cloud or what have you, but we also will have the opportunity to have a TPU on the Magellan itself to have the computing power right there. So stay tuned. Hands-free solutions.
Yeah. And that was an open invitation to go to NRF, of course.
Yes, so please let us know, and we'll book a tour in our booth.
Yeah. Memo 10 is our mobile computer, and we call it, of course, the all-in-one computer because you both get the 4G with the SIM card opportunity in it, and the Wi-Fi, and it is Android Enterprise recommended. We do have a healthcare version of the Memo 10 if necessary. All the different accessories included in the package is either the RFID what's it called?
Sled.
Yeah, RFID sled that you can put on it, or the pistol grip, or you got, of course, the battery charging devices that you can hot swap the batteries or accessories. Wireless charging, of course, is on board our products, and it's the same technology as was used on the Joy I talked about before. And coming soon will be the Memo 11, which is the newest and best on the market. The same form factor, you'll still be able to use the same cradles, the same charging devices, same batteries, same all accessories as on the Memo 10. Just put them into the Memo 11. But the Memo 11 is of course going to be with the newest Android operating system again, with possibility to upgrade again and again. More memory, improved processor, and of course the best scan engine on the market. And what I'd actually like to tell you about, this is a very short video, but this is a possibility that you can actually put your Memo and strap it onto your arm. And very easily, by just turning your arm, you'll actually be activating the scanner. You still have both hands in use, and then the possibility of just flipping your hand and the scanner will be activated. So that's one of the other features that is in our product for free.
Exactly. So that's a very simple hands-free option that we have. But we also have a wearable scanner. So this wearable scanner, it's called the hand scanner. It sits very nicely on the back of your hand, and it's the smallest and lightest wearable scanner on the market today. It improves worker ergonomics due to its size and weight. Additionally, it's non-intrusive, so especially against maybe some of the other scanners on the market that are ring scanners, et cetera, they make it a little bit more difficult maybe to get your hand into smaller spaces. This scanner will be completely non-intrusive like that. It improves productivity by saving up to 4 seconds per scan compared to a regular scanner that you would hold in your hand. And accuracy is improved. So there are statistics saying that you would have 33% fewer errors if you're using a scanner like this, or this particular one, in fact. And finally, the grandfather of all hands-free solutions is a pack bench. So we have several customers, several very large customers that came to us and asked for a solution like this. And so we were able to put together, using some of our products and some other products on the market as well, to create a solution for hands-free packing. And it uses one of our industrial scanners called the Matrix, as well as maybe you would add a hand scanner on the side, for example, the Power Scan. A display, for example, like a forklift terminal, you could use the Rhino, which we have. You could use an ELO touchscreen if you so choose, and a printer. And in fact, we presented this solution at the retail fair or the Retail Technology Show in London this year, and it was a finalist. Just a real quick short video to show you how it works.
Introducing Datalogic's Matrix 320, the packing solution that can keep both production and operators happy by saving packing time and reducing user movement. The Matrix 320's wide reading area and industry-leading image processor captures the barcode as soon as the operator moves the product into range, allowing a natural and ergonomic packing process. Along with simple user feedback, including our green spot technology, they can concentrate on fulfilling the customer's order without checking order screens and job lists. Built for tough working conditions, its IP67 and IP65 industrial design is robust yet simple, requiring just a standard power supply and USB cable to integrate into your existing Android or Windows system. High-resolution images can be stored for traceability and loss prevention tasks, while creating bookmarks in existing CCTV systems for individual order review. Gains in throughput of between 30 and 50% can lead to an ROI in just 6 months. When combined with excellent user feedback, the Matrix 320 is the simple yet robust way to quickly achieve better results.
So, I hope we gave you some inspiring things to think about for both today and the future. We're standing over here, so come over and ask us any questions as we progress through the day. Thank you.
Thanks.